Here in this video today, I'm going to show you how to change your date of birth on your Gmail account using your Android phone. You know, your date of birth is an integral part of your Google account. One of the easiest way to recover your Gmail password is entering the correct date of birth you used during your registration. So, if you discover that you've used a wrong date of birth while creating your Gmail account, this video will be of best for you. So in this video today, I'm going to show you step-by-step procedure to change your date of birth in your Gmail account using your Android phone. So the first thing you need to do is you go to your Gmail app and click on the three line to the top left, popularly called the hamburger. Scroll down and tap on settings cogwheel icon. Tap on the Gmail account if you have more than one Gmail account attached to your Android phone. Now, you need to click on manage your Google account. Swipe to personal information and click on date of birth, birthday. Now wait for your birthday date interface on your Gmail account to load. This might take a few seconds depending on your internet access. So if you're using a very internet access with a very strong internet connection, you might not have to wait this long. But due to the current network situation, so we have to wait for a while. So now once it opens, so you'll be taken to your birthday date on your Gmail account. So you need to select the birthday month, the birthday date, day, and the birthday year before you click on save. Make sure this birthday date is what you can easily remember, so that when you want to change your Gmail password and Gmail required you to enter your date of birth, it will be very easy for you. So once you select the month, maybe the day, okay, let me select the month, the day, and the year, and then click on the save button. Now the Google account will show how old you are on the confirmation page. So to save this new date of birth in your Google account Gmail, you need to click on the confirm button. So tap the confirm to save these settings. So once you've confirmed that you want to change your date of birth in your Gmail account, then this will change and Google will replace the new date of birth with the old date of birth. So this is a step-by-step procedure you can take to change your Gmail date of birth on your Android phone without using your browser. But if you prefer to always use your browser in changing your account settings, such as date of birth in your Gmail, here is what you need to do. You need to open your browser and go to gmail.com. So in my own case, I always prefer to have a desktop site on my Gmail. So you need to click on the hamburger and click on desktop. So you can choose either of the options. So I prefer to use the HTML. So now you need to click on Google account and a new tab will open. Now here you need to click on personal information. Scroll down to birthday and click on it. Now here you see your date of birth. Once you enter the correct date of birth, then you can just hit on the save button and tap confirm from the pop-up. So that's what you have to do when you want to change your date of birth in your Gmail account using your Android phone. Thank you. Please, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for our next updates.